Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can recover Snapchat my eyes only photos. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, we're gonna go to our Snapchat and open the app up. Right afterwards, we're gonna tap on this avatar of ours on top left, then tap on settings. Then simply scroll down to the section where you can tap on this option of help center. Now go ahead and type in our concern. Searched up. So this kind of search is gonna pop up, so you can see how to change my eyes only passcode. This is the only concern coming for the my eyes only, so you can tap on the first one that I have forgotten my password. And then once we have done that, in bottom you can always see this option of I lost Snapchat that I had saved to my eyes only after I reset my password. This is if you have reset your password, and that could be one of the reasons why you have lost your particular snaps on your my eyes only. And then we're gonna go back over here and go to this tab option of contact us, and now we're going to tap on I want to report an account or content. We're going to do that. We're going to go ahead, we're going to go yes, I would like to report a snap story, report a Snapchat account, report a chat message. You're going to tap on I need help with that, so you're going to simply go ahead and choose any random one. So you can simply go through the section where you can simply apply for the go ahead, do this form, and you're gonna go ahead, choose the topic of yours. You're gonna add in the Snapchat username and the legal name and the country, since it's just an example for that matter. It's just an example, but once you get this form, go ahead, fill it out, all of your concern, including your I have lost your snap streak problem. Once you do that, you will be able to tap on the submit, and your file will be submitted, and they will let you know what they can do to help you further. So that's it for this video. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.